Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to win auctions on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So for this video, we're just going to follow these steps of winning an auction here on the customer service of eBay. And of course, one of the tips that you can try is to research before you bid. So basically, to bid on item, do some research to find the listing that gives you the best chance of winning for the lowest possible price. And basically, you can search several times using different names for your items. For example, here I have the natural and tablets, crystal therapy, etc. You can like just search for many of them. And from there, you can like find the ones that will give you the best price. It shouldn't be like the most cheapest thing, so you can get more competitive competition, and it shouldn't be like the highest price. And basically, after that, if there is a buy it now option, you can purchase the item right away without waiting for the auction to end. That means you will be able like just to simply you'd find like a buy it now option. You can click on it and basically you will get the item. Otherwise, you will need just uh, bid your time. So you stand a greater chance of getting the item by placing your highest bid in the closing seconds. That means you will be needing just to wait for the ends to be closed. So here you will find the ends date or the ends time, and from here you will need just to wait for the time to be like in the last minutes or the last seconds, and basically you will bid by so other bidders aren't attracted by the low starting price. So basically, you need just to wait until the last minutes or last 10 seconds, and then you can try to bid. And basically, try bidding an even amount or an even amount, thinking of spending like this or uh, instead. Those extra few cents can make all the difference. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.